Starting a business can be tough. Running and growing your business is another pain. Whether yours is a small business, a startup or even a large company, it can become quite overwhelming to keep control of all the jobs you outsource and all the invoices that come along with completed jobs from freelancers. There's a new scheme on the Fiverr platform that helps businesses find and connect with the freelancers they outsource their work to in one place and also helps them collaborate with their employees for outsourced work. This scheme is called Fiverr Business. Fiverr Business is a brand new freelancing tool to collaborate with ease, work with vetted sellers, make finance more manageable, and get help from success managers to execute the best projects. Here's how Fiverr Business works. Fiverr Business is a platform created by Fiverr where you can invite all of your business team members onto your account in order to collaborate together whilst picking and working with freelancers. For example, if you need someone to edit your new business advert, your entire team can join Fiverr Business and work directly with freelancers involved in order to get the job done. Alongside this, you can also discuss projects, look through freelancers who are already vetted to work with businesses, and have an easier view of how much the project will cost. The typical example of using Fiverr Business would be if you need a logo for your business, you and your co-workers can head on to the Fiverr Business platform and search for some hand-picked freelancers by Fiverr. Once you find a suitable freelancer for the task, then agree on a price, you and your co-workers can use the group chat functionality to communicate with the freelancer and discuss how you want the logo to look on the go. You all can also chat privately so as to bring up ideas in order to create your new logo. Once you are all satisfied with the final project, then you can start using your created logo. If you have other projects you want to outsource, you can easily keep track of what your business has spent as Fiverr gives reports of how much things costs. Payment is equally carried out directly via Fiverr's website when purchasing services. Hence there will be no paper or emailed invoices. There are different tasks businesses can outsource on the Fiverr platform. The tasks your business will outsource will depend on the talent that is lacking in your business workforce, the nature of the task, time and other factors. There are many freelancers on the Fiverr marketplace with a vast range of skills for you to choose from. Similarly, there are many different tasks in your business which you can outsource which can save you time and energy. If you want to know the different tasks I outsource on Fiverr and my businesses, check the link in the description to read my review as a Fiverr buyer and know the different tasks I outsource and why I outsource them. Freelancers can equally help you with many other tasks from website creation to video editing, from copywriting to logo creation and more. To see the complete list, check out the Fiverr Business website. Link in the description. Fiverr Business costs $149 for an annual subscription. Fiverr is however offering the first year for free. You can add up to 50 co-workers to your Fiverr Business account to collaborate, communicate, and work on the go with the freelancers you're outsourcing work to. There is no commitment to pay for the second year for your Fiverr Business workspace if you don't want to continue. You are still able to create a normal account to browse freelancers without committing to buying. If you choose a freelancer to work with on one of your projects, your money is safe until you have personally approved the work you've received. You should also note that freelancers charge on a project based rather than hourly. Whether your business is big or small, Fiverr Business is a great platform and a handy tool to use when there are tasks you can do in-house. You can see it as a virtual work office for your business. If you have found this helpful and are interested in using the Fiverr Business platform, then save some money with the first year free subscription by signing up through the link in the description.